So if you want to hard reset your Anker power bank here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to unplug everything from your power bank. Now start by removing all connected cables, both charging cables, and anything plugged into the USB or USB-C ports. Now a reset won't work properly if the power bank is still powering a device. Next thing they want to do is you want to press and hold the power button for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Now, with nothing connected, press and hold the power button until the LED indicators blink or turn off. Now, this is the standard reset method used in most Anker troubleshooting guides, and often clears glitches like no charging, LED stuck, and something like that. And also, you may want to release the button and wait for a few seconds. Now, after holding the button and release it, give the power bank about like 5 to 10 seconds if you can, and this pause lets the internal protection circuit reset fully. Now, also, you may want to try single device test charge first. So plug in just one device using a good quality cable. Now, if the reset worked, the LED should react normally and the device should begin charging without flickering or cutting off. And also, you may want to try a different cable or port if it's still not working. Sometimes the issue isn't the power bank here, it's the cable or the specific port. So switch to another port or try a different cable to verify where the problem lies. And also, you may want to recharge the power bank here fully after reset. Now, plug the power bank into a wall charger and let it charge for at least 100%. And a full charge helps recalibrate the battery and LED indicators after reset. And finally, if the power bank won't turn on or won't charge here, or the LED stays stuck even after reset, the internal board or battery may be damaged. Now, at this point, contacting Anker supports is the best step here. They typically replace units still under warranty if you can, or they can set things for you if it's available. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.